Hello, today is Sunday, February 19th, 2012. I'm heading on down to the vending machine to get me a snack. I have $1 in my hand, and now I'm just going to look for a snack to buy. Okay, what do I want? I actually know what I'm going to get, but because I need suspense to this video. So what will I be getting? M&M's, Three Musketeers, Rice Krispie Treat, Cheetos, Ruffles, potato sticks, popcorn, Goldfish crackers. I know what I'm going to get. What will I be getting? What will I get? What will I get? Maybe I'll get that. Nope, I already know what I'm going to get. 75 cents. D4. Here's what I'm getting. Fruit snacks. Fruit snacks. Oops, dropped them. Need more suspense. Fruit snacks. These here are actually real tasty. So, this is what I got. Fruit snacks. Thank you all for watching. Let's take a look at see what's on here first before I stop my video. Cheetos, TGI Fridays, animal crackers, popcorn, potato sticks, Ruffles, Lay's, Goldfish crackers, Schneider's pretzels, Cheez-It, Gorditos, cheese Danish, yuck, I hate those things. More Schneider's pretzels, fruit snacks, MD Spot, Three Musketeers, Twix, Snickers, Skittles, Milky Way, Twizzlers, M&M's, Kit Kat, the large Kit Kat, cookies, Rice Krispie Treat, cupcakes, and 2 things of gum. There's a thing of fruit snacks behind the red one. I'll probably go ahead and get this tomorrow. Yeah, there's plenty in back there. I'll get a second one tomorrow. Hopefully somebody will buy the red one. The red one's not too fruity. The other one is. It's actually much more tasty. I'm gonna stop this video on these Goldfish crackers. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye.